Hazrat Abu Hazim has reported from Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu, an Arab woman was mentioned to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded Hazrat Abu Usaid Sayyidi radiyallahu anhu to send for her. He thereupon sent for her, so she came and stayed in one of the castle of Banu Saida. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam set out and reached near her. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered that house to see the woman sitting there lowering her head. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam started discussion with her, she said, "I seek Allah's refuge from you." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "You are in refuge from my side." Later the people said to him, "Do you know who he is?" The woman replied in the negative. Thereupon the people said, "He was Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam who had come to propose you." The woman said, "Then I am extremely unfortunate." The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam then set out from there till he sallallahu alaihi wasallam along with his companions settled down in Saqifa Banu Saida. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, "O Sahel, give us water to drink." Hazrat Sahel says that I brought them this bowl and I served them water in it. Hazrat Sahel then brought that bowl out for us and we also drank water from it. The transmitter states, then Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz requested to present him that bowl, so it was presented to him. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 5637.